In this video, we will learn component with inline style and template in Angular application. A direct component is called as decorator. In this decorator, we have template URL. Let's say instead of using this template URL, now I want to use template. We can use any one of them. Either we can use this template URL or we can use this template. So just comment this line. I want to use only template. It means I don't want to use the URL for my template file. Simply I want to write entire HTML over here. In case you have to create a simple component and you don't want to create separate HTML file for your component, then you can create the HTML over here. For that you have to use the tilde symbol. This tilde symbol is available below the escape button in your keyboard. Put a comma. Inside this tilde symbol, we can write the logic. Here simply we will display some message. Let's say hello from template. Save the changes. This application is running in the browser. So go to the browser. Here we have the message hello from template. We have done the changes in login component. We are using this component in home component.html file. That is why we are having this message multiple times. Earlier, the default template in this login component.html file is login works. So this is not working now. We are having this template from this place. We can also write this code in next line. So copy this. Update the text here. Let's add the number 2 and then 3 template 4 like this. Save the changes. In app component.html file, remove this app home because it is repeating multiple times. Now we are having app login only. Now go to the browser. We are having this HTML from our login component. Now in login component.css file, here we can write, let's say color red. Save the changes. See in the browser, this text has updated. Okay. Now see in the CSS file, we have very small CSS. So we don't want to create separate file. We can write this CSS in login component itself. So cut it from here. Go to login component. Here we can use styles. Let's see the definition of these styles. Choose go to definition. So it is a string array. So here paste the CSS which we copied from CSS file, then make it in single line. Here we have to use any one of them. So command this line styleUrls. Save the changes and for identification purpose change the color to green. Go back to the browser. See here we are having entire HTML in green color. We can also write more CSS here. Let's say font size 20 pixel. Save the changes. Here we have the updated text. So it is not necessary to create multiple files in the component. We can have all the features in single component itself. If you do not want to create write CSS, then you can remove the CSS file from here. So in this login component, I do not want to create a CSS and HTML file. So I can simply remove it from here. So right click, choose delete and remove this HTML file also. Now I have only login component.ts file. Here we can remove these styles. So here we have only template. This is the HTML for this template. Save the changes. Go back to the browser. So it is working fine. In future, we can notice it is not always required to use the selector. There are multiple ways to use component in Angular application. As of now, we are using the selector to render this component. In future, we will learn the other ways to render the component. Then we will remove this selector from this component decorator. Thanks for watching this video.